But we actually didn't use these cameras for Live at the Green Carpet. So this is sort of like an exposure thing. So no one really knew about it unless you were there. But Live at the Green Carpet was filmed with a cell phone connected to some weird like home mesh Wi-Fi network, and then a giant Ethernet cable run across the hallway of like the dining commons and stuff like that into the gymnasium.
It was really cool that we were able to pull that off.
It was so cool that we pulled it off, but it was so jank at the same time.
Was.
But it was
how many feet of Ethernet do you think we ran?
Oh God, too much. It must have been like 100 feet.
I think it was 100.
Probably more.
I think it was probably like 200. It was like probably like
a couple hundred feet. Yeah, it was a lot.
We ran it pretty far.
We did
because and then the main was it the modem pretty much for your network?
Yeah, so we
plugged that into where did we plug it into? Is it Mr. Jake's room?
Remember, I think we plugged it into Mr. Jake's room.
Right.
Yeah. So
I remember interrupting his class, and he was like, "What's happening?" I told him it was for science, and he was like, "Oh, okay."
We love Mr. Jake's.
Yeah.
What a guy.
Then for the mesh the routers, like the boosters, you just kind of plug those into the wall, right?
Yes. So what we used a TP-Link Deco. I think it was an M3 system. So it used the M4R. We used the M4R for like the main primary router, and then we used a couple M3Ws for like repeaters almost, which it wasn't the best, don't get me wrong. It was like a very budget Wi-Fi system even at the time.
Right.
But it was pretty good, all things considered. It worked pretty okay. The camera that we used, was a Pixel 6a that I had for sale on eBay. If someone literally could have bought the Pixel 6a as I was using it for the live stream, and then I'm really good at like quickly selling this stuff or like quickly shipping everything.
Right.
That would not have happened if they bought it in the middle of the ceremony. I can tell you that now. It was really.
It was cool.
It was cool.
You should play a clip from that.
Yeah, here's a clip right now from Live at the Green Carpet, basically. Super fun time.
The glorious class of 2025. Let's meet some of the graduates.
I don't know how I'm going to do this with the audio version, but maybe I'll play the audio from it or something like that.
I like old school.
Old school?
I have to say old school.
Old school. Both great. How are we doing today, sir?
Not too bad.
Not bad. Favorite teacher? Who we got?
I don't have a number one off the top of my head, but I think Mr. Casey might be the GOAT.
He's a great one. We gotta love Mr. Casey, you know? We doing?
Good.
What do we think? Best track performance from Owen Corkery.
Best track performance. It's going to be Division 5 relays last year, junior year.
Gotta love it.
So that's just a little bit of a glimpse into Live at the Green Carpet, that kind of stuff. It was really, really cool.
It was really cool.
Pixel 6a, I didn't even talk about how the Pixel 6a connected to the rest of the live stream. We used NDI, so it's sort of a protocol by NewTek, I want to say. Super, super cool, like low latency video over IP. I think it's proprietary, but it's not like super, super proprietary. So it was like an app that cost $20 or something on the App Store. It was expensive, but it was pretty good quality. It was really, really good quality, and it was low latency video, which was the super important thing. We didn't want high latency or anything like that. If we wanted high latency, we would have done like a Zoom call or something. But it was low latency video over like a home network in like access point mode or something. I don't even know. It was really cool though.
No, you're right. I do remember that because
the fact that we got everything working in like a day, not even like probably just a few hours.
Mm-hmm.
It was really cool.
Because we were running wire during the school day. You remember that?
We were. Yeah, we did run wire.
Because then we had to like pause for a second.
Oh, that's true.
Because
the bell would ring.
Yeah,
the bell would ring, and then people would be walking in the hallway, and they'd be like,
"Can't do anything.
What's this wire doing here? What's going on?"
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna skip class. No, don't skip class. Don't skip class, please. But it was really, really fun.